Hello, today we will learn how to create simple ER diagram. Now in college labs, you have to submit assignments, projects and other document as well as. So you have to draw various diagrams like ER diagram, DFD diagrams, use case diagrams and so on. I know how difficult it is to draw the diagrams. So today I am going to show you how to draw ER diagram using a software called ClickChart Diagrams, which is developed by NCH Software. So first we will start the software by clicking on ClickChart. Right? As you can see the window, go to File, select New. Now New dialog box will give you an options of different diagrams. Now select the diagrams that you want to create. But these are all ready-made templates. So when you select an ER diagram, it would have the ready-made template as shown in the figure. Now you have to change it, delete it, modify it. So it is difficult. So better you select blank diagram. So first we'll close this, then go to file menu, don't save it, go to file menu, new blank diagram, right? So this is an empty canvas where you will be placing all the symbols. Now in ER diagram there are four main symbols. One is rectangle, that is entity. Second is diamond shape, that is relationship. And third is oval shape or ellipse shape, that is for attributes. And fourth one is line, right? Now for example, we would be using customer entity. So for that, first select this rectangle and place it on the sorry now this is an entity. Now entity has an attribute as well. So what you will do is first arrange the entity in the place where you want, then double click inside the rectangle like this, right? This will turn into the text box where you will type the name of an entity. So we'll be using customer as a name for the entity. Now we are already, so you can change the font like this. If you want anything, select from the list. You can increase the size of the text that you have, right? Right? You can bold it, right? You can left align, center align as per as your requirement, right? So this is the entity. Now every entity has attributes which are represented by the oval shape. So drag and drop it onto the screen. Same repeat and provide the name. That is, suppose we will give CID. Now CID attribute is a primary key attribute for the customer entity, because when the customers have same name, then CID is used to uniquely identify the customers. So it is very important attribute for a database. So such attribute should always be underlined. So select the text and click on the underline. So this is the primary key attribute. Now other attributes may be name of a customer like this, but they should not be underlined because they are not primary key attributes. So select the text and click on the underline. This will remove the underline as shown. Now you can also copy and paste the attributes like this. name, birth date, right? Again control V, that is age. Now age is the attribute which is not stored in the database. It is always derived from the birth date, because if you want to calculate the age of a person, what you would do is you would do today's date minus birth date, and the output that comes you will divide it by the 12 months, so you get the age from the birth date. So such attribute should be shown as the dashed ellipse. So for that, select that attribute, go to the lines and go to the dash type and select dash, right? So this attribute is a derived attribute. That means the age is calculated from the base attribute, which is birth date. Now the customer can have phone contact number or phone number also. Now the customer can have more than one. So such attributes are called as multi-valued attributes, and they are represented by the double oval shape. So right now this should be again converted to solid line. So go select it, go to the line, go to the dash type and select solid, right? So these are the attributes. Now all the attributes should be linked with the help of line. So go to the connector, make sure that it is straight, then select, connect this red dot to this entity red dot. Now you can see it is an arrow. We don't need arrow, we need a simple line. So for that, select that arrow, go to arrow, click on the solid triangle and select none. As you can see, now it has become straight line. So again click on the connector, name and connector entity. Same, repeat this step for each and every attribute, right? Like this. Now one more attribute is the address. So we'll do that also. Now address is a composite attribute. That means the address can be further divided into sub attributes like this. I will name this, suppose first street number, right? Second, we'll name it to society name. Third, we will use as city. Now address should be linked to a customer entity because it's an attribute of a customer. Now the street, society and the city. So select and drag it to adjust it by using mouse or side arrows. Now connect this attribute with the address, not with the customer, because they are the sub attribute of the address attribute, right? Right. Right. So this is very simple ER diagram. Now suppose if you want to increase the thickness of the borders or you want to change the font, then select all by using Ctrl A, right? Then go to font if you want to change the font and increase or decrease according to your requirements, as you can see, right? Now for the thickness of the border, go to line, go to line width and increase it, as you can see, right? It is up to you how much you want to increase it, right? See, So that is the simple ER diagram that can be run. Now once your diagram is complete, then you save it or you can export it immediately without saving. So go to export image option, click on it, name the image, suppose ER diagram, save it. I am saving the location, save. Now it asks you the resolution. Now resolution is 72. You can increase it to 100. Margin in pixels, you can change it according to your requirements. You can change the background diagram image of the color. Suppose let's say we use slightly dark, okay, and click on OK. Now this will export it and say export is succeeded. Okay, so now let us go to the image that we have exported. Let us click on it. See, this is the exported image, that is a finally that we have created, right? Okay, so again go to this. Now I hope that you got the basic concept of the ER diagram. Now in the next video we will see how to create full ER diagram with multiple entities. Okay, bye. Hope you like the video. Thank you.